Hello, in this video we will make a chubby balloon pumpkin with you. We will use two balloons and leave a tail of about 20 centimeters on both balloons when inflating them. We will start with the thick 360Q chubby balloon. We will squeeze the balloon to allow the air inside to spread and soften the balloon. Some of the air inside the balloon will go to the tail, thus shortening the tail. When we hold the balloon with our hand, we will twist it to form a segment slightly longer than our palm. Then we will create another segment of the same size and tie the two segments together. We will squeeze the balloon again to soften it due to the air pressure and push the air back towards the tail. Now we are twisting the third segment. We will pass the third segment through the first two segments and it will easily come out the other side. There's no need to worry. Since we softened the balloon, it will easily pass to the other side without popping. Now we will twist the fourth segment. We will squeeze and soften the balloon with our hand again, and after twisting the fourth segment, we will fold it and tie it to the mouth of the balloon where we made the first knot. We will soften the rest of the balloon again and twist it to the same size. This time we will squeeze the pumpkin slice we made between the other slices. In the same way, after passing the sixth segment to the exact opposite side, we will also squeeze it between the other segments. We will use the balloon's tail to tie the pumpkin and hide it between the pumpkin segments. By adjusting the segments with our hands, we will give the balloon a pumpkin shape. Our other balloon is a standard thickness 260Q balloon. Now we will make the stem of the pumpkin. We will give the green balloon a curve by squeezing it in our hand, and this is how we will make the pumpkin's leaves. As the balloon hardens, we will continue to soften it by squeezing and pushing the air inside. After making 3 leaves, we will break the balloon with our fingers. You can also use scissors if you want. The remaining balloon piece should be long. We will use this balloon like a string. We will attach the green pumpkin stem to the body of the pumpkin. After tying it tightly, our pumpkin is now ready. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.